Makeup tutorials. Part 2. Face shaping and microshaping. Sometimes we have face shaping request. We offer 2 ways to satisfy your face shaping demand. First, you can use our face mesh tool to create your own face shaping. Second, you can use our default settings of face shaping by simple adjusting the value with JSON to create your own face shaping. First, you can open our AR scene board. Find face mesh. Click the point. Drag the point to reach your shaping effect. Export the .face mesh file. Second, we have some default face shaping. As you can see from the chart, no matter which method you use to define your face shaping, you will need .face mesh packages. For those default settings, we've already prepared the packages for you. For microshaping, we have 2 different types of microshaping. One type is similar as face shaping. If you need it, you can take our default setting packages. Another types are no-need packages. They are in-build abilities. You can use them by simply adjusting the value in JSON. Thanks for watching.